we have been talking for quite a bit about exploring what they believe. And for those of thee that think of thyself as star seeds or spiritual people or loving, compassionate empaths, it is time for thee to be acting on this. This is a time when thy planet is at its darkest, and it is time for thee to be the messengers of light. Reach out to those that are in pain. Look with compassion for those that have a need for some reassurance or some help, or perhaps just a smile, or help them to see that they are worthy and that they are surrounded in love. This is a time when many people are lost or feel lost, and thee can be the torch forward for them. But if thee stay hidden, if thee think thee believe in thy goodness, but are afraid to share thy light, then thee will go into an even darker time. And we know that thee do not want this. So this is the time to walk thy talk. This is the time to share thy love. This is the time to change thy world. Dost thou understand?